If that bug goes on me one more time, I will hit him with a knife.
Okay, get that bug.
I could throw the knife,
Not done
but
yet.
I don't want to lose it.
Spear?
I said not done yet.
I know. This is a spear, though?
Yeah. Oh, you're filming?
Yeah. These are fun ones we'll want to watch later in life.
Is this on Facebook?
No, this is just our personal home ones. How's yours going, Bean?
Great.
It's looking good. Ooh, looking sharp.
No.
Oh, did you just cut your finger?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Bleeding?
Nope.
Wait.
Just cut. Oh, wrong way. Here. Need to move this. There we go.
Like that.
There.
There you go. You're breaking the knife?
No, it just bends that way because it's a multi-tool.
Oh.
So it bends back in.
That will be funny to look at these videos later and go, look how low or how high your voice was, Carter. Because your voice is going to change to be all deep.
Yep.
Yep. True that. All right.
It's not done. I need to get it more wedge.
Okay.
There we go.